Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video on DOGELON Mars. And oh my goodness, we are falling. This is exactly what we want to see, my people. Look at the volume tapering off as we're coming to this support level. This is my assumption. These big whales will come in and create a floor here, all right? Right around this 15 level. We shall see if that happens within the next couple hours. If that doesn't happen, we are retracing down to these 12 levels. And I'm good with both. I am averaging in at the 15 levels as well as averaging in with the 12 levels. If we come down to here, oh my goodness, guys, I'm going ape crazy on that price. That's almost double cheap. Okay, trend line, here we go. Let me show you. So, last video, we drew the bull flag, right? It was about like this. All right, we broke to the downside. That's okay. Let me draw this. Broke to the downside. What we want to see here is this price to retrace, hit this 15 level, and then come back up with volume. All right, let's go to some smaller time frame. These are the daily candles. These are the 30-minute candles. As we can see, somebody took major bags off of the table. A big seller came into play here. That is okay, because it is coming back down into this demand zone. This demand zone will allow these bigger whales to get a better price on their bag. And if they want this better price, then we will see a big green candle, a couple big green candles with volume coming in within the next few hours. That's what we need to keep our eyes out for. Personally, I'm going to wait a little bit until it comes down to this 1480 level to average in more, because that is right at the peak, right at the bottom of this triple bottom that is forming. Ladies and gentle peeps, this is an amazing opportunity. I would keep your alerts on, keep your eyes out. I don't know what's going on with it. Okay, there we go. Keep your eyes out for this 1480 level, because as it breaks below 15, people are going to get nervous, and that's when this big money is going to come in. Now, let's say the big money doesn't come in, and it drops down lower to the 10s and the 12s area, right? That's what we need to watch out for. Let's change to the 3 hour, all right? Let's say it drops back down into this demand area where the big money pushed it all the way up to create this new floor here. All right. In order for it to do that, the big whale that bought down here needs to dump his bags. All of these people need to dump their bags, which is, I personally don't see that happening just because of all the positive sentiment in the market right now. Now, if you look at Shiba Inu, we'll go to Shiba Inu right now. It's taking a little dip as well, which is perfectly normal. We're in a little dip in the overall market, and this is accumulation time for those Russians that are going to wake up at 3 a.m., see a cheap buying price, and they're going to pump this thing into the upside. I'm not saying that will happen. I'm just assuming that that is going to be what happens. Let's say it does move to the downside. We need to watch out, and watch out for our next 25% averaging in, all right? Right now, I am averaging 25% in this 1480 level once it comes down and hits. All right, that is a risky play. I normally play on confirmation, meaning it would normally come down to this level and then push up with a big green candle with volume. That is when I would get in. But this is a triple bottom, and I'm averaging in on this triple bottom because I think it's going to keep moving to the upside. That is my opinion, and we shall see if that happens. I am pretty confident, and even if it does drop, I'm buying more because in the long term, this project is a very good project. We haven't even come out with our own ecosystem yet. We have so many more features we have to add, and it's only going to get pushed out more. If we go to the Twitter, let me show you guys. This thing is just blowing up right now. It's going everywhere. We have NASCAR drivers. We have, look at this, I'll show you. We have people around the world posting flyers everywhere. and it's in a little dip right now, this is a perfect buying opportunity. Guys, look at the follower count. When I first started following this coin, it was at 150,000, around there. It's almost at 300,000 followers, my people. The Instagram is even bigger. Last time I checked, it was at 800,000. I started following it around 400,000, and it's probably almost at 1 million right now. I haven't checked, but that's what I'm assuming. But ladies and gentlemen, don't be panicking right now. It's coming to a wonderful buying opportunity around this level. This is Shiba Inu. What am I talking about? But I mean, it's pretty much the same chart. Once it comes down to this triple bottom support, we should see some good buying power. Now, if you want to play it safe, wait for that green confirmation candle to break to the upside, overbearing. This is what we want to see in order to play it safe. We want this price to come down to the 1470, 1480 level, and then immediately not hover around here. If it hovers around here, that is a negative sign. That's a bearish sign. We want it to hit it and then immediately trigger those buy alerts, pushing the green candle to the upside, overtaking this previous red candle. All right, that's what we want to see, and preferably the volume would be above the previous volume of the resistance. That is an extremely bullish sign that we are going into. We have created a new floor, and we will continue to the upside. My friends, keep your eyes on these levels. This is an extremely important time to be watching, because if that green candle doesn't come, then we will be moving down to these 12s, 10s levels. And I am happy. If it moves down there, because I will be accumulating more at almost half the price. There's nothing to complain about. I'm holding this thing for a year plus, 2 years plus, however long it takes to get to a 10x. That is what I'm holding it to. And then once it does get a 10x, I'm just going to withdraw my principal put in and just let the profits run. That is my trading plan. This is not financial advice. This is simply advice from a crypto billionaire. I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay strong. HODL to Mars. We are all in this together. Let me draw a quick diagram for you guys. You already know the vibes. This is us. This is Mars. This is where we're going. Okay, let's just do some previous analysis on Shiba Inu. Alright, guys. Just look. It always comes up, consolidates for a little bit with volume tapering off, and oh my goodness, what happens? Big volume comes in. What is it doing right now? The same exact thing. It's been doing this for so long. So long. Look at this one. Now it's not as prevalent, but look, same thing. Boom. Now it retraced a good amount here. It retraced about probably from the swing low, probably about 40-50%. But then it held that resistance, came in with extreme volume right here. All right, we're at $1 billion market cap with this coin. This is just the start. DOGELON Mars is going to Mars and beyond. Stay strong. Have a beautiful day. Hit that subscribe button if you like daily in-depth technical analysis videos on DOGELON Mars, Crypto Billionaire 69 out.